Presidential spokesperson Harry Roque made himself famous again with his message to critics of the Duterte administration.
Let today's event be recorded in the annals of Philippine history as another first of the Duterte administration. And to his critics, I have only this to say, manigas kayong lahat.
Roque made the remark during the presentation of the first tunnel boring machine for the Metro Manila subway project. Roque claimed the administration critics will not stop until they are back in power.
As you know, the president has many critics, and they will not stop until they regain power. But presidents will come and go. But in the annals of Philippine history, President Rodrigo Roa Duterte will be remembered for the renaissance of infrastructure, for beating COVID-19, and of course, for all the social legislation that he so shepherded, including universal health care and free tuition in state colleges and universities.
The Metro Manila subway project is the first underground railway system in the country. It will provide the most modern mass transportation in the National Capital Region.
We were the first to have the LRT in the whole of Asia, and although we were a bit delayed in having our subway, now we can say we have truly modernized our transportation in this country.
Thank you for watching Politico TV. Please like and subscribe to our channel for more videos.